Yeah, hi friends. This is Ravi Kiran from Ravi Kiran Tech Logs. Welcome to YouTube channel. Today topic is how to install and configure FTP role on 2019 server. Let's start. Okay, I have logged into the DC. Go to dashboard, add roles and features. Click next. Role based. So click next, and the server is selected. Next. So if you do go down, web server IAS. So FTP server is not selected, so now I have selected. So we are going to install FTP service only. Click next. So no need to select any features. Click next and install. Installation is started now. Let's wait. So FTP services installation is succeeded on DC01. So click close. So now go to tools, internet information services, IS manager. Click. Okay, if you click on DC01, you can see the FTP service is installed or not. See here, FTP service is installed. You can see here, and I'm going to create FTP site. Let's right click on this, so I'm able to see add FTP site. Previously we have only IAS website, so now the feature is added. So add FTP site. You can type IT data folder. So before that, let's create multiple folders, FTP folders. Let's go to C drive, create one FTP folder, FTP path. In FTP path you can create multiple folders. IT data 1, and I'm going to create HR. I'm going to create sales, admin. So 4 folders I'm creating. So minimize this and go to the physical path of the IT data. So expand C drive, FTP, select the IT data. Next. So you can assign server IP or all assign IP. So I'm going to assign the server IP, and so I'm not using SSL certificate, so no SSL. So next, select the basic. You can select all users or specified users. So you want to add any users. If you want to add like this, you can add users here. So I'm selecting all users. So read write permission I'm giving. Click finish. So FTP IT data FTP site is created. So if you want to access, you can access this one. Let's go to how to access the FTP site. So I have installed FileZilla. So what is the IP address of the server? 10.0.0.10. So what is the username? So Ravi Kiran Tech /Kiran. Give the password. FTP port is used default 21. Click connect. Do not save password. So okay, if you continue, password will expire. Welcome saying it does not support over TLS. Directory listing. So if you want to copy any of the file, now the site is FTP site is logged in. So now I am going to upload successfully. So let's go to the folder IT data. The file is copied. So if you want to add any of the file, let's see, I'm going to add this one. Right click, upload. So it is added, it's showing. So if you go to the current location, you can see the files. This is one method. If you want to access the FileZilla, go to File Explorer, FTP colon 10.0.0.10 colon 21. It is asking the password, so I'm going to give the domain password Kiran log on. So it will go to the authentication, and it will display the folder. So another one thing, we have given default folder, so let's give IT data. Sorry, some error is getting, so maybe access permission. Let's see, 1 minute. Go to ID data and file. So I'm going to give the properties. We need to give the full permissions to the users. Modify, full, minimize. Okay, let's access again. Sorry, IT data. So it is asking password. Maybe permission issue. 1 minute. Let me. I think we are accessing from the other local windows. So most probably to second. Let's go to support and open future. So I have given external IP of firewall. $40,000. Let's see, let's upload from this site again. Okay, it is working. So let's try from here once again. Yeah, now it's showing. See, turned out. So I'm able to see INA file and certificate file. So this is the file server, FTP site we can access remotely from File Explorer. So thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, click like and share and subscribe, and click on bell icon so that my next video will be you will get alert to view. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.